Oh, just an awful sound. And any parent who hears that is going to panic. A child gasping for air. This year, doctors in Allegheny County are warning of a pretty dangerous trend.
An illness that can be deadly for young children is on the rise right here in Pittsburgh. Allegheny County health officials are reporting the number of pertussis, or whooping cough, cases in the area is more than double a typical year. 140 confirmed or probable cases compared to the average of 66.
I'm not surprised at all.
Dr. Jennifer Priest with the Allegheny Health Network says the rise in cases is likely due to the growing population of parents choosing not to have their children immunized.
Last year, I had a family from 6 months to mom and dad in their 40s, all had pertussis. And it was because 2 of the youngest children in that family did not get immunized.
Whooping cough can be deadly for children under 3 years old. Catch it as an adult and you'll have the stubborn sickness for a long time.
It's going to last 3 to 6 months, and I can't give you anything to make it go away.
Priest says some people might be basing their decision not to get the shot on outdated information.
These people that want to protect their children, to prevent them from exposure, are sort of almost doing the opposite.
She says the vaccine has been updated and improved and recommends everyone be immunized, especially young children and pregnant women. Beyond vaccination, prevention is as simple as washing your hands regularly and coughing and sneezing into a tissue or your sleeve.
The bottom line is, any kind of risk that there is of this vaccine, the benefits way outweigh it.
Listen to this. The warning spreads all the way to California, that state battling its largest pertussis outbreak in 70 years. In fact, health experts are calling it an epidemic there. As of last week, the state had nearly 10,000 cases reported. Wow.